we know that real climate action is local. And I'm particularly proud of the fact that the Bezos Earth Fund is so keen to invest in local organizations and local leadership. Partnering with the smaller grassroots movements that actually do the hard work.
We don't just tell communities what to do. We listen to each other. We become partners.
We are hands-on to restore our forest cover, to restore our biodiversity, to restore our water flows, and to uplift livelihoods sustainably.
When we are doing restoration, you are restoring life. We are restoring the economy.
It is about lives and livelihoods. It's about protecting nature. It's about solutions to the climate crisis.
It's an amazing, fantastic experience to see an environment changed. There is real difference and there is real change in real time. That gives me